the KUSI News at 10.
Well, still to come on the KUSI News at 10, local surgeons and nurses spend their Sunday transforming lives. We'll show you how.
And the owner of a Spring Valley landmark
For good at the end of this week. Some of the best medical and surgical minds in the county gathered this weekend with one goal in mind: to help people who otherwise would have little hope of having their severe medical problems corrected. KUSI's Doug Curley has the story.
14 years ago, Callie Doherty looked like this, and it looked like she was going to have to go through her life looking like this. There was no money to pay for the ongoing series of surgeries that would correct the problem, and it was only going to get worse. But that was then. This is now. Callie, now 14, has had a number of surgeries at the hands of Dr. Dennis Nigro and the people of Fresh Start Surgical Gifts. Over the past 15 years, Dennis has put together a totally volunteer team of the best plastic and reconstructive surgeons, nurses, and volunteers in the San Diego medical community to see to it that people like Callie have just that, a fresh start.
It's scary to go through the surgeries. You know, the recovery is hard. But really, in the end, it's all worth it to see the aftermath of what he's done, what he's given me.
The people behind me are family members of children who are getting a brand new start on life, a start that few, if any of them, would have ever even dreamed of.
All of this started with donations from the Notre Dame Alumni Association. Yes, Dennis is a Notre Dame grad. But it's grown over the years to the point where patients from all over the world are not the only ones on the waiting list. Dennis has to turn away people who want to volunteer to help. And free is the key word here. These surgeries and treatments cost nothing. No one gets paid a dime.
This is one of those things in which everybody leaves feeling like they've actually done something, and kids is a great, you know, everybody who's got children understands this.
This adopted infant from Vietnam will be back next year. She'll need to get a little bigger and stronger before she can withstand the surgery to repair the hair lip she was born with, but it will be corrected. Once these folks see a patient, they won't give up until the patient is fixed and on the road to just what the name implies, a fresh start. Doug Curley, KUSI News.
It's a great story. Coming up, a real live School of Rock.